Hey, welcome back everybody. Anderson here. In a certain sequence, the term a of n is defined by the formula a sub n equals a sub n minus 1 plus 4 for each integer n is greater than or equal to 2. What is the positive difference between a of 20 and a of 25? All right, folks, the answer to this question is 20. And here's why. So the question is asking us, first of all, what's the difference between these two terms? So there's two ways to go about this. Because this is an arithmetic sequence, and what I mean by arithmetic sequence is that it's pretty linear. You're adding the same thing every time. Because we don't exactly know what a of 20 and a of 25 are, nor can we figure it out, because when you notice right here, that's a recursive sequence. They're basically saying, hey, look, the term that you're looking at now, you'll take the previous term and you'll add 4 to it. So that's what we're seeing right now. And honestly, this is all we need. Because again, they're saying, hey, take the previous term, add 4. So essentially, if a of 20, if it was, let's go ahead and say, 10, a of 21 would end up being 14, then a of 22 would end up being 18, etc. All we're saying is we're taking the last term and we're adding 4. So it's linear or arithmetic. So essentially what I'm getting at here is, well, we're adding 4 how many times? Well, how many terms are between 20 and 25? That will be 5. So there's 5 terms between, or 5 essentially moving on to the next term 5 times. So that means we'll be adding 4 5 times. So we'll multiply that by 4 because we're going to do that 5 times. We're going to add 4 5 times, giving us 20 as the total difference. Just like that. So there we are. So in this problem, again, we didn't know what a of 20 and a of 25 are, nor could we figure it out unless they gave us the original term or the first term in the sequence. But it's not even necessary to know it as long as you know what the pattern is moving forward. So with that said, good luck. Ask any questions if you have them. We're here to help.